Yeah.
Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Si Uncle Sam.
Isa pa- Isa pang nangyari kasi sa West Philippine
Sige po.
Sea dito sa Ayungin Shoal, and I want to ask your reaction. Nagkaroon kasi ng issue sa Ayungin Shoal, and then the Chinese Chinese diplomat or attaché,
Mm.
may issue sila doon. Instead of talking to DFA secretary,
Mm.
dumiretso silang nakipag-usap sa general natin in the Southern
Oh.
Command. Kinausap nila yung
Oh.
issue nila, and they directly talk to the military. But technically, walang karapatan ng kahit sinong bansa or embassy na directly
Bawal yun.
makipag-usap sa ating military. They don't have any
Bawal yun.
rights. They should
Unless
go in a diplomatic way talking to DFA. My question to you is
proper
this.
channel. Proper channel
What
dapat.
is your reaction towards this issue, knowing na mas malakas ang China, ang galing-galing ng China, sabi ng mga propagandista, pero
Sige.
asserting our right in our
Mm.
fucking country is a no issue at all.
Mhm.
What do you feel about that?
Ay sabad ng lila. Ngayon baliktad. Ito pinapakita sino talaga mas magaling. Ang dating admiral po natin, 'di ba? Inaamo-amo natin ang China, tipo sinasabi nga niya, "You and me against the world." Ito iba ngayon. Andito dito. Bumabalik tayo ngayon sa dati nating gawin, which is what? We're leaning towards the West. Yun ang maganda po doon. Not towards, pero not, yung parang let's say slight leaning lang. Kasi kinakal natin kasi sa US talaga. Meron tayong na matatado din kasi. Yung dating bansa, hindi eh. Hindi na ginawa yun eh. In fact nga,
Yeah, and going further dito sa political issue crisis na pinag-uusapan natin about this Chinese issue. Going to Senator Marcoleta's privileged speech sa Senado, I think I want to ask you your reaction about this, kasi parang sinasabi niya dito na
sige po.
parang the Chinese government already nag-occupy na sila sa mga isla sa West Philippine Sea, and still we give them the benefit of a doubt. Tapos another thing na gusto ko i-react mo din is that,
Ah.
do we need to ask China for mercy? Just like what Duterte did? What do you feel about that?
No. No, we should ask challenge. Yan ang called defeatist attitude. What the country is supposed to do now is we have to prepare. Sinasabi nga po in times of peace, we have to prepare for war. Pangalawa, in case what will happen